This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a Google account and a purpose. Open Colab now and create a new notebook so you can run code immediately. Sign in, then pick Python 3 as the runtime. This ensures broad library compatibility. Once done, check Runtime, change runtime type, and select GPU or TPU if you plan to accelerate training. Make sure to name your notebook and mount drive when you need persistent storage. This saves files across sessions. Now you handle data and dependencies. Mount drive to access large datasets and keep results persistent because local VM storage resets. Install required libraries inside cells with pip so environments match. Specify versions to avoid drift. Split work into modular cells, one for imports, one for data loading, one for preprocessing, and one for training or analysis. This structure speeds debugging. Once you test small batches, scale up with larger runtimes or remote datasets to avoid waste. To finish, save your work, write checkpoints to drive or push to Git, and export the notebook as IPINB or Py for sharing. Make sure outputs and models are copied to persistent storage before the session ends. If your session is interrupted, restart the runtime and rerun just the setup cells to restore packages and mounts. This is faster than rerunning everything. If problems persist, inspect package versions and file paths, and reduce batch size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.